Stop for 10 seconds before you waste money on tire shine again. The next time you walk to your car, look at your tire sidewalls. If they're brown, faded, or cracking, most people think the tire is dying. But the truth is shocking. That brown layer may actually be protecting your tires, and the product you trust could be speeding up the damage. Today I'll show you the hidden science behind tire blooming, why most shine products fail, and the cheap pharmacy secret that can help keep your tires looking newer, longer. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we make car problems simple, fixes easy, and maintenance stress-free. So let's get started. Modern tires are made with protective chemicals called antioxidants. Their job is to fight ozone and UV rays, the two biggest enemies of rubber. As tires sit in the sun, those compounds slowly rise to the surface. When they react with oxygen and ozone in the air, they create a brownish film. That process is called blooming. So that brown color you see, it usually means a tire is defending itself. It's normal. It's built into the rubber. Now, here's where things get interesting. Many tire shine products, especially the super glossy wet look ones, use petroleum solvents and silicone oils. They instantly remove that brown layer, which is why the tire turns deep black right away. It looks impressive, but the layer that was just removed was part of the tire's natural protection. Then the product leaves behind a shiny coating. It sits on the surface, looks great for a short time, then fades, attracts dust, slings onto paint while driving, and washes away. So people reapply it again and again. That's coating, not conditioning. And this is where a simple old-school ingredient comes in: glycerin. Pure vegetable glycerin has been used for centuries in skincare, food production, and pharmaceuticals. It's inexpensive, easy to find, and surprisingly useful for rubber care. Why? Because glycerin is a humectant. That means it attracts and holds moisture. It can also interact with rubber differently than many shine products that only sit on top. Instead of adding fake gloss, it helps the sidewall maintain a richer, healthier appearance. So instead of stripping protection and masking the tire, you're supporting the material itself. Big difference. Here's how to use it properly. First, clean the tire thoroughly. If you've used tire shine before, there may be leftover silicone residue on the sidewall. Use warm water dish soap and a stiff tire brush. Scrub well and rinse. If water still beads up, clean it again. You want the surface fully clean, so water sheets evenly. Then let the tire dry completely. Next, mix pure vegetable glycerin 1:1 with distilled water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist the sidewall until it's evenly damp. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then use a foam applicator or microfiber towel to work it in gently. Wipe away any excess with a dry towel. When done right, the tire should feel dry, not greasy, not slick. Just a clean satin black finish with no sling and no fake shine. And because it's not just sitting on top, the results can last longer than many quick shine products. It's also cheap. A small bottle of glycerin often costs just a few dollars and can last through multiple treatments. But let's be clear, this is maintenance, not magic. If your tires have deep dry rock cracks or structural damage, replace them immediately. Safety always comes first. And if you love the dripping wet show car shine, glycerin probably isn't for you. This gives more of an OEM satin finish, clean, rich, and factory fresh. Most products are designed for instant visual payoff. Quick shine, quick fade, repeat purchase. Glycerin is the opposite. It's simple, low-key, and practical. It just works. And that's it. Your problem should now be completely fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more simple car repair tips and secret maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.